Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. Today I will demonstrate how to take down and style a damp twist out. Have y'all ever had a time when you go to take down your twist and they are still damp? For whatever reason, y'all. Whatever the reason is. Well, this can be the worst nightmare for most of my 4C sisters. For some of you, simply because water causes our hair to shrink, right? Now, some of you may like to take twists down while damp, and that's your personal preference. But I'm not one of those ladies. I have 4C hair, so water makes my hair shrivel down to my head, and I absolutely hate it. It almost looks like I did a big chop or something. No games. This very reason makes me not a huge fan of washing goals on myself. So that's why I always style my hair with twists or plaits, period. Okay? I twisted my hair late at night and untwisted it early the next morning, so it didn't have adequate time to dry, leading me to a damp twist out. Y'all, whenever I do twist in my hair, there is no set way I part my hair. It doesn't make a difference to me in the end result. So you do yours how you feel is necessary, and I'll do mine the same. Now, some of y'all may think when your hair comes out this way, meaning damp, that your hair is ruined. But I'm here to inform you, ladies, it can be saved, okay? As you see here, I am continuing to unravel these twists, y'all, starting from the ends and working my way on up. Starting this way or doing it this way causes way less tangles, and it is way easier on the ends of your hair. Thank me later. I always oil my hands before doing so. It makes less friction and frizz. But y'all, I do like a little frizz. I love wearing my froze, and sometimes frizz just make that look come together a bit more to me, especially since I'm natural. Moving right along. This is the trick. This is the trick, y'all. Okay, so I hold my hair midway length and begin to dry it in sections. Nothing major, very simple. As you see, I literally run the blow dryer over each section in the exact same way, y'all. It's not a lot of times my hair comes out this way, but when it does, this is one of my go-tos. If you don't want to use heat, that's fine too. I don't use it a lot, so I don't have a problem doing so every blue moon. I separate, fluff, and pick until I get the desired look. Picking is the key to most natural hairstyles, especially when the hair is worn out. Of course, right? So that's what I am doing. Now, the other way to save a damp twist out is unraveling the twist, and before separating them, sit under the hair dryer and allow them to dry. Okay, I didn't have time to do all of that, so that's why I went this route. As you can see, y'all, I am continuing to pick, okay, until I get the desired look that I want. And this is pretty much it, y'all. This is pretty much it. This is how I save my damp twist out, you guys. Well, one of the ways, I'm sorry. This is one of the ways, y'all. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, honey. Videos are uploading soon, you guys. Thank y'all so much. Get into it.